This is a species, a soft ground plant species called Lepidagathis fasiculata. And this one I found, I had actually seen this around farm borders and all in the Western Ghats region, growing as a wild plant. And in a garden situation, it's an excellent plant as a ground cover. So, for example, this is one of our old Pterocarpus marsupium tree, and Bangalore is not that easy on pepper. So here we have grown pepper, and it is come out quite well only. But pepper being from a more moist region, it will need some extra care to do well in Bangalore. So extra care means the root of the pepper has to be in the not in the little bit shaded place, and you should make sure the direct sunlight is not falling on the root zone. So which means this whole area should be covered with greenery, some small light greenery, and then plenty of dry leaves and mulch, so that coolness is maintained. And for such purposes, this Lepidagathis fasiculata I found to be a very useful plant. It can be, it's quite naturally it can settle in Bangalore. So here around the base at the ground level, I have used this Lepidagathis fasiculata. It has nicely covered the ground all round, keeping it green, and it's non-thorny and quite easy to control. So once you introduce it, it will spread on its own nicely on the ground, not too much height also. And in the summer season, the small white flowers are coming, quite attractive and good for small insects and all, because they get some nectar from it. And then it keeps the ground cool and moist, because it is preventing the direct sunlight from falling on the ground, and it also looks green and nice. So this is a good ground plant, ground cover for shaded areas, semi-shade, this Lepidagathis fasciculata, and I recommend it in natural gardens and biodiversity gardens as a ground plant. At close quarters, the flowers are also quite nice.